Can you believe it? After all this time, I finally got my first YABO. We're gonna do it tonight. YABO! Let's do it. Welcome back to House of Manners. So glad you are joining me this evening. It's been a crazy week. I've not had time to really put out something that I really was wanting to put out this week. It's been one of those weeks, but I did want to put a video out tonight just quickly because I got something in the mail. I can't believe it. My first YABO. I've never gotten a YABO in before, and I got one today. My good friend, James, you may know him as the Cactus Piper, sent me a package, and I can't wait to open it to see what all is in it, what kind of goodies lie in this. So we're gonna open this. I'm gonna tell you about some plans over the next couple of weeks, and then that'll be it. But just a quick video tonight. So let's get into the package because I'm curious what all's in here. So first things first, let's talk about the knife. Spyderco Tenacious. Got some copper scales on it. This was a birthday gift from my son a few years ago. It's a heavy little knife because of those copper scales, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the patina that is starting to happen on it. So it's starting to get that nice kind of hue to it that copper sometimes gets. So it's a lot of fun. But I can't wait to see what this is. And I gotta just tell you, man, this community is so fun. It's such a fun community. I'm glad to be a part of it. I kind of feel like I'm an honorary member to the YTPC. Not all my stuff is about pipes. I love talking about gentlemanly arts. I love talking about, whiskey, other spirits. I love talking about, cigars, pipes, pipe tobacco. I really want to talk more about fashion and gentlemanly fashion and etiquette, and I haven't really even begun to touch that yet because I'm still not at a place I'm really happy with my physical appearance yet, so that I can get out there and dress the way I want to dress. Clothes are expensive. Everything's expensive these days, and I don't want to spend money on a whole lot of things that I want to wear if I'm just going to have it tailored down the road because I am losing weight. I'm down 41 pounds, y'all. Like I'm doing it. I feel good, and I'm doing it. And I still have about another 50 to go, but I'm confident that I will get it off this year. So I have so much more I want to cover in my channel and talk about. So the fact that I don't always talk about pipes and pipe tobacco, I just feel honored that so many of you guys have included me in your family, and it means so much to me. It's such an amazing community. There's so many people I enjoy. I can't even begin to go down the list of people that there are out there that I would love to just say thank you. We just hit over 500 subscribers this past week, and what an honor to have that. And just thank you again from the bottom of my heart. I just appreciate all of you guys so much. And we have some really big things planned, some fun things planned, but we just got to take it one day at a time, and that's what we're going to do. So, but enough of that. Let's get to the opening. All right, here we go. There's a note. There's a note. It's a letter. Reminds me of the old Blues Clues. We just got a letter. My kids watched that when they were little. Okay, hey Robert, thanks again for the sweated. I sent him some sweated a little while ago. I think that's what he means, and some other samples. I sent him a few other things too. Wanted to send a few back your way. Hope you enjoy these. Cactus Piper. Cactus, I know I'm going to enjoy this. I'm so excited. Look at all the goodies in here. Wow. There's nothing like getting a box of tobacco. The box always smells amazing. So, right off the bat, I can already see the first one. This is one everybody's been wanting me to try, and I haven't tried it yet. And I ordered some. I've got a jar sitting in my closet right now. I haven't had a chance to get to it. So, Cactus, thank you for this. HU Nashville County. I've had like 6 or 7 people tell me they think I'm gonna really love this blend. So I actually may smoke a blend of that tonight, actually. What else we got in here? We've got some dark bird's eye vintage cut. Very nice. Very nice, sounds cool. Let's see. This is CH Brown Flake. Nice big ribbon, look at that. That's a big old chunk right there. Wow, nice. We also have some GH Bright Flake. That looks like another one of those big chunks there. Look at that. So cool, so cool. Wow, thank you. Wow, there's so much in here. Holy cow, it's gonna take me 3 months to smoke all this. HU Director's Cut, another one I hear good things about. I've heard a lot about the HU line. I have not tried any of the HU stuff yet. I'm looking forward to that. Looks like a plug. This is St. James Flake Mini Plug. Very cool. Boy, that's a big, nice chunk. It's gonna be a few bowls in that. This is GH Louisiana Flake. Very nice. That's very thick. That's gonna be good. Wow, this is so cool. This is like a hay bale. Wessex Curly Block. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. It's like a big hay bale. How cool is that? That is so cool, man. Cactus, thank you so much. I'm going to enjoy trying some new things. Thank you so much. That is such an honor that you'd even think of me. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate this community. What a great community. We got some great people out there that I enjoy talking with every week, texting, talking to through their channels and all kinds of ways. We're just having the best time. We're having so much fun creating stories for you guys and meeting new people. And that is what it's all about. It's about community. It's about having fun. It's about enjoying our time together. It's about trying new things and experimenting new things, maybe stepping out of your comfort zone and trying some new stuff. I mean, that's what it's all about. And I enjoy it so much. I enjoy learning new things. I enjoy teaching the things I like to teach about. And so this is it's a fantastic community. And I just want to say thank you all from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me that you're a part of my community and that I could be a part of yours. So thank you for that. So it's so much fun, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for putting up with me. I appreciate it. Thanks for putting up with all these Martin's hats. I've been called out several times. Like, do you have any other hats? Yes, I do have other hats. I promise. So, and I'll wear them very soon for you guys. So, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.